Meteorologist Mariel Ruiz is joining us now, and they just keep getting pounded there in California with all the extremes.
All the extremes. I mean, they were in a long period of drought. They went months without seeing rain, and then they had the fires happen, and now heavy rain. This is actually some of the heaviest rain they've seen in this season, so in a year. And now, not only dealing with that flood concern, but across the higher terrain, winter storm warnings and winter weather advisories, in addition to that flood watch. Here's some good news for California, though. The rain, while it's still ongoing, is actually going to clear out by tonight and over the weekend. We're still expecting another 1/10 to maybe even 1/4 of an inch of rain in some spots that have received inches of rain in the last 24 hours. So a lot of this moisture continues to work its way east, higher terrain seeing some of the snow, but I want to show you what the system is doing throughout the course of the weekend. So a lot of that moisture, like I said, dries out. This is around 6 p.m. on Friday, and then that system continues to trek towards the east. That low eventually bringing in another round of snow for areas like Chicago that just saw its snowiest day in this season so far. That front eventually helping bring in added rain to some areas that were under flood watches just this week. Now that system will continue to bring in not just snow across the areas of the Great Lakes, but eventually the Northeast. And look at this, a round of storms Saturday overnight. And unfortunately, those storms come with a severe weather threat and enhanced risk for areas of Mississippi, Alabama, Louisiana. A few tornadoes are expected Saturday afternoon and evening. So we'll be watching this closely, Kara.